paper without which we cannot live. It heavily influences our daily lives. A single person consumes more than 100 rolls per year. That's 12 kilometers per year. Companies earn more than $100 billion annually from sales. It's toilet paper, the most important paper in the world. But how does the used paper we discard daily become the soft paper we all know? Despite the simplicity of the product, the manufacturing process is not as simple as it seems. A single mistake in production can lead to billions in losses. In this video, we take you on a tour of the factory to discover together how this product is made, on an exciting journey from the felling of the tree in the forest to its arrival in your warm homes. Toilet paper is undoubtedly an essential element of personal hygiene, and thus one of the most widely used products worldwide. The global population consumes more than 21 billion rolls of toilet paper annually. With the increasing demand for toilet paper, the world began to focus on recycling waste paper instead of destroying forests. Toilet paper was first introduced to the market in 1957. It was invented by an American entrepreneur named Joseph Gaetti. The aim of production was to treat hemorrhoids, bladder, and skin diseases. Eventually, it became a staple in every household in the world. The toilet paper industry is considered a strategic industry worldwide. As mentioned in the introduction, it generates more than $100 billion annually, which is why most countries closely engage with this industry. First phase, logging. The production of toilet paper requires highly advanced technologies. It's not just about sourcing wood, but wood is one of the most important elements in the production process. Deep in the forest stands a massive machine that fells trees and cuts the trunks into transportable pieces. The machine, which weighs over 18 tons, completes the entire process in just a few seconds. However, before it can begin its work, it must be transported to a location where suitable trees for this type of production are found. Usually these are trees with crooked trunks, as straight trunks are used for other products such as furniture. Second phase, wood processing. After the machine fells the trees and the wood is harvested, the actual magical phase of processing begins, rotating the logs to remove the outer bark. Once this process is successfully completed, the wood is transported to the chipping machine, where the large logs are shredded into small chips. Third phase, cooking vessel. After the wood has been shredded into small chips, it enters large cooking vessels, where it remains for 3 hours or more. During this time, moisture is removed and the fibers are dissolved. This turns the small chips into a pulpy mass, the material from which toilet paper will later be made. While these 3 steps for producing toilet paper from wood are taking place, another process is also underway to make the same paper, but this time not from wood, but from recycled paper. The production of toilet paper from recycled paper begins with the collection of waste paper. This waste is brought to a large disposal site, where a machine separates the paper from other waste. This machine uses advanced technologies like infrared sensors to accurately sort the paper and remove unwanted materials such as plastic or adhesive residues. Next, the recycled paper is collected and taken to the washing facility, where it is washed in 14 steps until only clean fibers remain, suitable for the production of toilet paper. Immediately after that, the recycled paper is fed into a machine that produces the same pulpy mass that was previously derived from wood. Here begins the fourth phase. The pulpy mass is mixed with special chemical cleaning agents and fed into a machine over 120 meters long. This machine operates at an enormous speed and produces more than 1 kilometer of paper per minute. Inside this machine, the fibers bond together after the remaining moisture is removed, resulting in a very long sheet of toilet paper. Fifth phase. In this phase, the large and heavy rolls are processed into the small toilet paper rolls we use in everyday life. Before this phase, the toilet paper is more than 1 kilometer long, and a single roll weighs more than 5 tons. To turn this giant paper roll into the small rolls we find in our bathrooms, a toilet paper winding machine is used in the factory. Depending on the brand's specifications, this machine layers 2 or 3 plies, embosses a pattern into the paper, and adds the desired word or logo of the brand. Once this phase is completed, the paper is wound onto large cardboard cores, and these large rolls are transported to the next phase. Sixth phase. The rolls on the cardboard cores are very large and enter the cutting phase. In this phase, the rolls are cut into the usual sizes, whether for household use or for the large rolls found in public restrooms. Since there are many toilet paper brands, roll sizes vary depending on the requirements of each brand. Some companies focus on offering paper that is soft yet strong, while others prioritize eco-friendliness. Seventh step, traditional tests. After the factory has agreed on the brand specifications and the required quantity has been produced to standard, every toilet paper roll undergoes very precise testing. The paper is stretched, pulled, and subjected to pressure to test its maximum strength. Most companies want a paper that is strong yet remains soft. But not only the strength is tested, the paper's ability to absorb water is also evaluated. These tests are carried out with the utmost precision. The factory uses a single drop of water, a single sheet of paper, and a stopwatch. With this test, the paper factory determines how well the paper absorbs water, how much and how long it takes. All these factors, of course, influence the price of each roll of toilet paper. Eighth phase, human testing. Factories do not rely solely on technology for producing toilet paper. Humans play a key role in this process. Ultimately, it is people who decide whether the product is suitable or not, because it is people, not machines, who will use it. The factory specifically hires workers to test the paper. They touch it, try it out, and ensure it meets the standards set by the brand. These workers are also responsible for checking the color of the paper, not just how it feels. After all, no one wants to use toilet paper that has a different color or contains stains that aren't white. They also carefully check each roll to ensure the printed design is correct and the embossing is flawless. And now it's time to answer a question that everyone asks themselves when standing in front of the toilet paper shelf at the supermarket. Why does one roll cost more than another? The answer is simple. Some toilet papers are made of 5 plies, and these products belong to the premium category. They are not only thicker, but also especially soft and absorbent. These high-quality varieties are made from particularly fine fibers and are often embossed with elaborate patterns that give them a pleasantly soft texture. On the other hand, there is more affordable toilet paper, which usually consists of only 1 or 2 plies. It reliably serves its purpose, but without a touch of luxury. These types are often thinner and possibly a bit rougher, but they are preferred by budget-conscious consumers. There are also special variants like scented toilet paper with different fragrances or moist toilet paper, which offers an added feeling of cleanliness and freshness. Such products typically belong to the premium category, whereas more affordable versions are reduced to the essential qualities. Another crucial price factor is sustainability. Many brands today rely on environmentally friendly materials, such as recycled paper. Generally, it is the premium brands that focus on sustainable products, while budget brands often still pay less attention to this topic. We've taken a closer look at one of the most important industries in the world, the production of toilet paper, a product that appears simple at first glance, but behind which lies an entire world, known only to those who understand this vital industry from the inside. And now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, which type of toilet paper do you prefer? The luxurious varieties with multiple plies and soft embossing? Or do you prefer the affordable kind that simply gets the job done? Share your experiences with us below. If you enjoyed this exciting journey into the world of toilet paper production, then share this video with your friends. From a majestic tree in the forest to a product that supports your personal hygiene. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss any of our exciting reports.